everyone, I'm Lindsay from Lindsay with Love, and I hope everyone is having an amazing Tuesday and another great start to another amazing week. So since I started selling Young Living, I realized that so many people recognize there's tons of value in using essential oils, but after they buy the starter kit and they start diffusing, they kind of don't know what to do next, right? So this week I wanted to talk to you guys about 4 other ways other than diffusing that you can use lemon essential oil in your daily lives to really just use it to its full potential, right? So number 1, of course, diffusing. Everyone knows diffusing lemon is such a beautiful, uplifting mood. It literally is a mood enhancer. It's really great to either diffuse in the diffuser or just even smell it under your nose to instantly feel like an enhancement in your mood. So if you're feeling a little down and out, it's good to just uplift your spirits. And then it's also really great for energizing you. So if you're feeling really tired, you've been studying all weekend, or maybe your kids were up all night sick or whatever it is, and you're just feeling a little bit exhausted, just smelling a couple of smells of the oil or diffusing lemon oil in your diffuser will definitely help you feel more energized and really ready to take on the day. Number 2, using it in the kitchen. So you can definitely use lemon essential oil to enhance your food and to cook with. I like to use it a couple of drops in my water. If I'm out of natural lemons or fresh lemons, I will just put a couple of drops in my water. Make sure you're using a glass container to drink out of. The oil can almost deteriorate the plastic if it's like in there too long. So from a health perspective, it's always healthier to just drink out of a glass container anyway. So when you're using your lemon essential oil in your water, make sure that you're drinking out of a glass container. Number 3, use it as a brightener for your laundry. So I use Thieves laundry detergent. I use Thieves for everything in my home. I do not stray from Thieves because I love knowing that it's clean, it's non-toxic. I'm not being tricked. I'm not being tricked by some greenwashing marketing technique or tactic. I know when I use Thieves, I am not bringing toxins into my home when I clean. And so I use Thieves laundry detergent, and especially when I'm doing whites, I like to add a few drops of lemon because not only does it just enhance the smell of the clothing, but it also acts as a brightener. So it's really great if you want to brighten your whites to throw a couple of drops of lemon in with the detergent. You can also use lemon as a stain removal. So be careful with this though, because you want to make sure that after you remove the stain, you wash the clothes right away, or else you might end up getting kind of a yellowish spot on the clothing or whatever it is from the lemon oil. So look into that a little bit further, research it a little bit more before you try it, or you can always try it on like an old shirt or an old sock or something that you don't mind if it gets ruined, just to test it out and test your skills when it comes to using lemon as a stain remover. Number 4, use it to brighten your teeth. So I've heard some people do it both ways. Some people use the Thieves toothpaste and then put the lemon oil right on there and brush their teeth. Or you can brush your teeth first, and then after you brush your teeth, use some baking soda and some lemon oil, and then brush your teeth again, and then rinse. So it's up to you which way you do it. I've only ever done it where I put it on my Thieves toothpaste. So try out both ways. Let me know which one you like better, or which one is giving you more results and brighter teeth. I really love it too because I have super sensitive teeth, and using like normal white strips is just a no-go for me. My teeth literally are in pain. So even like the ones that are like for sensitive teeth, it still does not help me. So I love using the lemon oil because it doesn't hurt and I still get the effects that I want. And number 5, you can actually treat your acne or your breakouts by using lemon oil, but you need to be very careful and make sure that you're using it with a carrier oil so it's diluted. Do not put the oil directly on your skin, especially on your face. And what I would recommend is before you do this, like on your whole face or even as a spot corrector, what you want to do is test it on like a patch of your arm or something. Lemon oil and the citrus oils in general have some sensitivity to sun. They're photosensitive, and so you can kind of almost burn your skin. So you want to just test it out, see how your skin reacts to it. If you have super sensitive skin, just do a really small area before you start using it as an actual acne and breakout corrector. It also is supposed to help you with brightening the face as well. So if you feel like your skin could use some brightening up, if you feel like you have dull skin, you can use it as that as well. But once again, make sure you dilute it and make sure that you test it on yourself first before you put it all over your face. Because the last thing you want to do is put oil all over your face and then have some sort of crazy reaction. Kind of defeats the purpose, right? So besides diffusing, remember, you can use it in the kitchen to cook or in your water. You can use it as a brightener for your toothpaste. You can use it as a brightener for your laundry or stain removal, and you can use it to actually help with acne and breakouts. I hope this video was helpful. If you're interested in shopping Young Living, if you haven't gotten in on the essential oil journey and you're still using toxic cleaners and things like that, click the link below if you want to shop and start making the switch to all natural kind of clean products. And you will have to create a profile. It is only for shipping purposes. Do not get scared. You're not signing up to sell or anything. If you are interested in selling, we can get you going on that route, but just realize that you just need to make an account for shipping purposes and for billing purposes. So I hope this video was helpful. As a reminder, please comment, like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments, which of these have you done with lemon oil? Have you tried other things? Are there more things that I'm missing out on when it comes to lemon? Let me know in the comments. And as always, subscribe to my channel if you're interested in all things about raising your vibration, really harnessing your own energy, standing confidently in who you are as a woman so that you can chase after the life of your dreams. I hope everyone has a great day, and I'll see you next Tuesday.